This video is going to take you through how to use the compositional technique repetition within music. So being able to incorporate compositional techniques helps bring your music together. It helps to formulate it so it makes sense. Repetition is one of those really easy things that composers and artists can do to create unity within their music, and when it comes back, it just kind of pulls everything all together. So your goal is going to be to create a 40-second piece of music that uses repetition. So first and foremost, if you have not yet changed your ruler along the top right here to time, you need to do that. So you can do that by changing the grid settings. So you simply click the cogwheel right here, come down underneath ruler, you have beats and time, you want to time. And the reason for that is then along the top right here, you can see my settings and my 40-second mark is here. So I know at minimum I need 40 seconds of repetition. The next thing I'm going to do is title my song right off the bat so that I remember which project I'm working on, which is repetition. And then that way I know I can quickly save it as need be. So I just saved it with nothing in it, but that's fine. All right, so next I need to find some beats. So let's click on the purple music note to get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is, for me, when I approach this, I like to find a beat that I don't mind repeating. So repetition is just an exact repeat of sound, the exact same sound for the exact same length of time. So the first thing that I'm going to want to do is locate something that I know I'm going to want to use more than once. Yeah, those are good drums. I don't think I want those. Let me get out of drums. Let me scroll. There's so much stuff. I don't like any of these. Let's go to piano. Okay. I'm in that kind of mood today. Alright. So I'm going to drop this in. Alright, so I think with this, this is a pretty long loop. It's 20 seconds. And while that's okay, it just means that my repetition is going to be even longer. These are pretty short. That's really interesting. What is that? I want to hear what the sounds like. Yeah, no. We're going to go ahead and delete that. So I'm going to go with this repetition since I like the piano. So I'm going to just simply click this and I am going to copy it. Then I'm going to give it a little bit of space. I'm going to paste it again. You might want to find something that's a little bit shorter. It's totally up to you. So you can see right here, like already, I've got 2 and I left about 2.5 spaces. So I'm going to do the same thing, give myself about 2.5 spaces and put it a third time. So now I have the exact same loop coming back 3 times. Now I'm at 1 minute and 20 seconds. That's okay. Minimum requirement is 40 seconds. So if you were to find a shorter loop that you want to use as your repetition, that's fine. But now I need to go back and I need to spend some time building a piece around this. And I think this is where this was in. No, it was rock. There were some good drums, wasn't it? I thought there was rock. Why am I not seeing it? There it is, because my mouse is right over it. There's some good drums in here. Too fast. You know what? That might work. Let's see what that sounds like. I'm going to extend that out. Alright, so that is a good start. It's not the most interesting thing in the world, and this is where I'm going to need to make sure I'm adding in more things to see how it goes. Okay, so there's the start of my piece. Now it's starting to build, and as I go through this, my exact repetition, my repeat of sounds is here. I've got 1, 2 is in the middle, and my third one is over here. So now I'm going to take some time, and I'm really going to start to add in different sounds. I'm going to experiment, and I'm going to build out this whole piece around my 3 sets of repeated piano. That's it for the exercise. 40 seconds or more. So I am easily, what did I say? I was easily going to be up to, see it's up here, it says a minute, just over a minute 20. That's fine. I'm all about music. So get into it, explore, have fun. If you have questions, post on the stream, send me an email, or text me. You got my number. All right. See you soon.